In the previous lesson we have learned light, about light and the reflection of the light. Now let us know some devices which are useful, which are used in the reflection of light. So reflection is the phenomena of light which falls on a smooth surface and comes back into the same medium in the same plane. This is the reflection phenomena. So now the application, the things used in the reflection. So that is the mirror. Mirror is something which we use for the reflection. Very important thing in the human life, because without mirror you cannot be ready to go out to do the things. So the mirror which we are using in the houses is a plane mirror. When you are looking into the mirror, you will see your face in the mirror. Okay, so that means the face image rays will go and falls on the mirror and comes back to the eyes. So the face which you are seeing in the mirror is called image, right? Your face, if you are standing in front of the mirror, your face is called object. So an object, we can see the image of the object in the mirror. So let us understand how a plane mirror is made, how to make a plane mirror. If you are having a glass piece, you can make a plane mirror. In this step I will just give you a brief knowledge about how a mirror is made. So you take a glass, transparent glass, everywhere available. Okay, so and there will be two sides of the glass, two surfaces, this side and this side surface will be there. One side, what happened, you put the silver color and some paint like this kind. So when you open the mirror and you see one side, you get this color or some green color or blue color, whatever. Now in this this color is given, so you may be getting any color, silver paint and uske upar this color. So this is one surface. So now mirror is ready, that's it. So in mirror, this is reflecting surface, because the white color, the light falls on it and comes back. So this surface is reflecting surface. There are two surfaces, so this is called reflecting surface. Another side is opaque surface, non-reflecting surface. It is opaque. Okay, you cannot see anything on the back side, so it is opaque surface. So this is a simple plane mirror. So the types of mirror we are going to go. So now how reflection takes in this plane mirror, let us understand. Okay, so now before going to the things, let us understand little more about the reflection. So there are two types of reflection, regular reflection and how a regular reflection happens. When a smooth mirror like things are there, polished surface or a smooth mirror is there, so the light falls on it and comes in the regular direction, like it follows on every mirror, every ray will follow the phenomena, law of reflection, but all the lights rays come and goes like this, is uniformly it will be there. So it is called regular reflection, because the reflection takes place from a smooth mirror like thing, smooth mirror or a smooth polished surface, we call it as a regular reflection. So the other one is irregular reflection. So irregular reflection, you need a rough surface, wall and all those things, no? It's a rough surface. So then what happened, the light falls on it, right, and it reflects in different directions. it reflects in the different directions. So the reflection takes place on the rough surface is known as a irregular reflection. Okay, now let us go to another point. Now I told you plane mirror. How a plane mirror can be understood in the phenomena of a reflection, right? So in the plane mirror you need an object, you need an image. Image you will be seeing in the mirror, object will be there in front of the mirror. Suppose that is the camera is mirror, my face is object. Okay, so in the camera image will be there, you can understand like that also. But you take a mirror and in the mirror you will be seeing the image. Now let us understand the characteristic properties of the image, the properties of the image which formed in the plane mirror. Okay, first one, the image formed in the plane is erect, same size, okay, straight, same size of the object, so erect, and erect means same. Okay, and inverted, opposite erection is inversion, right? So now head is the top, body remaining everything will be as it is. So this is, and also the same size. So this is the first property of a image formed in the plane mirror. Okay, let us go to say this is the thing, erected. In some mirrors what happened, the head will be down and the legs will be up. So in such mirrors we call it as a inversion, inverted image. Now here it is an erected image, right? So now second point, image is at the distance behind the mirror of the object in front of it. So I will tell in simple, the image distance is equal to object distance. What is image distance? What is object distance? Let us understand what is the object distance. Suppose if you are standing 2 feet in front of the mirror, if you are standing, you are seeing your face in the mirror from 2 feet. So that 2 feet is the object distance, because your face is the object. The distance between the object and the mirror is object distance. Okay, so now what is the mirror image distance? Again same thing, the distance between the mirror and the image is known as image distance. Image is formed behind the mirror. Okay, we cannot catch it, so it is a image distance. So in the plane mirror, object distance is equal to image distance. You can write simply like that. Okay, now let us understand third property. Image in the mirror is laterally inverted, right? Though whoever is taking selfies ना, they will understand this very happily. आपका left right होता है, right left होता है. So this is called laterally inverted. Head नीचे and vertically inverted. So laterally inverted means आपका left mirror में right होता है, आपका right mirror में left होता है. This is called laterally inverted. Okay, and then see object राइट लेफ्ट लेफ्ट राइट हो जाता है, उसको सेटिंग भी रहता है मोबाइल में, आपको सेट करके नॉर्मल कर सकते हैं. सो नाउ let us I will tell you one more property. The image formed in the mirror is virtual. There are two types of images, virtual image and real image. Real image you can catch it on the screen, you can take it on the screen. स्क्रीन पे जो भी आता है इमेज, दैट इज़ अ रियल इमेज. जैसा हम मूवीज़ थिएटर्स में देखते हैं, सो दैट इमेज इज़ कॉट ऑन द स्क्रीन. सो दोज इमेजेस आर रियल इमेजेस. बट जो भी मिरर में दिखता है वो इमेज को हम स्क्रीन के ऊपर फोकस नहीं कर सकते हैं, वो उसको पर नहीं पकड़ सकते, उसको टच नहीं कर सकते हैं. स्क्रीन के ऊपर जो भी इमेज है तुम जाके स्क्रीन के ऊपर हाथ लगा के वो इमेज को टच कर सकते हैं, बट मिरर का इमेज में मिरर सरफेस को टच कर सकते हैं बट इमेज को टच नहीं कर सकते हैं. इसीलिए द मिरर फाउंड इन द इमेज फाउंड इन द प्लेन मिरर इज वर्चुअल. And where it is located, where it is formed, it is behind the mirror. So the image position in the plane mirror is always behind the mirror and image is virtual. Okay, whenever you are giving the properties of the image, this will be the first property, whether the image is virtual or real. So the images formed in the plane mirror are known as virtual images because you cannot catch it on the screen. Now let us have an activity here. A robot is moving towards the plane mirror. Whenever you want to indicate a plane mirror, you have to draw a line and पीछे थोड़ा shading करना है. The shaded वाला surface is known as non-reflecting surface. Non-reflecting. I told you every mirror will have two surfaces. One is reflecting surface, the other one is non-reflecting surface. So abhi robo is moving towards the reflecting surface of the mirror and he is at about 8 meters. So where the image is formed, at what distance the image is formed? I told you one of the property is image distance is equal to object distance. Image distance is equal to object distance. So the image is also formed at 8 meters behind the mirror. Okay, so first one is in front of the mirror, the object is in front of the mirror and image is formed behind the mirror at 8 meters from the mirror. Okay, so the image is formed, the image distance is 8 meters because image distance is the image distance between image and the mirror. So then what is the distance between the object and the image? Object distance is 8, image distance is 8. So the total distance is 16. Don't get confused. You have to read the question clearly. What is the question? What is the distance from him, that means object, to his image formed? So that means he asked the distance between the object and the image. So object and the image distance, you have to add both object distance and also image distance. Let us see one more question. Now if he moves a distance 2 meters towards the mirror, then what happened to the image also moves 2 meters towards the mirror. If object moves towards the mirror, image also moves towards the mirror. So what distance will his image is formed? इसके पहले 8 meters था, अब ये 2 meters आगे आया. So then object distance will become 6 meter हो गया. Okay. So what distance will his image is formed? That means image distance only asked. It is not the distance between object and the image. So then what happened? Object distance is 6 meters हो गया है. Image distance also 6 meters हो गया है. So the image formed at 6 meters. So don't get confused, my dear children. Image distance अलग है. The distance between the object and the image is अलग है. Okay. So this is one more question. So that distance between object and the image is 12 meters, right? So now other type of mirrors are also there. Now let us learn one more type of mirrors. They are spherical mirrors. Plane mirrors already we have learned. Now spherical mirrors, right? Even in the spherical mirrors also we will be having one reflecting surface and one non-reflecting surface. Okay, so now one reflecting surface, let us have a flat surface. Okay, so the other reflecting surface will be like this. So non-reflecting surface, I will put some shading like this. So this is made from a sphere, glass sphere, a cut from the glass sphere. So एक स्पीयर को ऐसा कट करेंगे तो क्या होता है, कट करेंगे तो then you will get a say I will remove this. I will remove this. So I have taken a piece. So this piece is known as, and इधर हम silver color डाल दिया है. So then what happened? This will be reflecting a surface, and this will be non-reflecting surface. Okay, RS. RS means reflecting surface. So this we call it as a convex mirror. Okay. So for example, you can take another thing. So then what happens? The reflecting surface will go inside. The same thing we will take here. So I will draw again a sphere, and I cut one part. I cut one part, deleted. So then what happened? I will put this side non-reflecting surface shaded, right, this side. So then what happens? This is non-reflecting surface and this is reflecting surface. So then that it goes inside, the reflecting goes inside. Right? This we call it as a concave surface, concave mirror, convex mirror, concave mirror. If you extend this, if you extend this, what happened? You will be getting a complete circle. If you extend it, you will get a complete circle. So as the complete circle is there, what happened? Every mirror, every spherical mirror will have a center of a curvature. So whatever the curve you are seeing, a curve, so it is a part from the circle. So that is why circle is having center of center. The curvature also will have a center. So every mirror, spherical mirror, whether it is convex or concave, you will be having a center of the curvature. Okay, and because center is there, it is taken from this, then radius of curvature also will be there. You take any point on the mirror, then the distance between the point on the mirror and the center of curvature is known as a radius of the curvature. So center of the curvature and radius of the curvature. So these two, by default these two will come, because you have learned a sphere. Sphere will have a center, sphere will have a radius also, because the mirrors are taken from the sphere. Therefore the mirrors also, the spherical mirrors also will have a center and a radius of curvature. Okay, so then how these mirrors will work, I am going to explain in the next class. Bye bye.